So you're on the hunt for an AI chatbot builder? Today I'm diving into Botpress AI. This platform promises to make chatbot creation a breeze, but does it really deliver? Let's dig into what's working and what might leave you scratching your head. Botpress AI is designed to help users build custom chatbots without needing to be a coding wizard. At its core, it offers a visual flow builder that allows you to map out conversations easily, which I found pretty intuitive. You can create and train your chatbot to handle various scenarios, making it flexible for different use cases, whether for customer support or lead generation. One standout feature is its natural language understanding, which helps the bot understand user intents better. However, while the interface is user-friendly for beginners, more advanced users might find it lacking in customization options. There's also an emphasis on open source, which is great for developers looking to tweak things under the hood, but it could be a hurdle for those just wanting a straightforward setup. Still, some parts of the platform feel a bit unclear. For instance, the documentation could be more comprehensive, especially for troubleshooting common issues. That might frustrate new users trying to get up and running quickly. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Botpress AI is user-friendly, especially for those without a technical background. The visual flow builder is a game changer, making it easy to visualize how conversations will flow. Plus, the open source nature is a big draw for those wanting to customize their bots. On the flip side, there are some limitations. The lack of detailed documentation can be a pain point, especially if you run into issues. Also, while it's great for basic bots, those looking for highly sophisticated functionalities might feel constrained. Additionally, it's not as well known as some competitors, which might raise trust concerns for potential users. Overall, if you're a small business looking for a straightforward chatbot solution, Botpress could be a solid choice, but larger enterprises might want to explore alternatives that offer more robust features. In summary, Botpress AI is worth considering if you want to create chatbots without a steep learning curve. It's particularly suited for small to mid-sized businesses. However, if you need advanced features or more comprehensive support, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a promising platform, but with a few caveats.